So today, I'm going to be playing with Kinetic Sand. Just in case if you don't know what this stuff is, it's just like sand. Oh crap. I have played with this before, just like sand, but more like, just like more safer, I guess. I don't even know. No, let's just eat the box. Is this like what you play on it with? But this is what it looks like, because I didn't see this whenever I first had it. So this is the sand itself. It's all very mushy all the time. So I'm going to put all the tools to the side. So alright, hold on. 1 second. Alright everyone, I'm back. Alright. Time to make sure something. Okay, so I just want to show you how this stuff really works. So open it. And this stuff. It feels so good. I really love this stuff. Hold on. You guys, I'm making sure you guys can see. Okay. Let's get the manual out of the way because nobody likes manuals. So this stuff is really fun to just mess around with and play with. And here, I'll show you an example. You grab one of the tools and see, you can just like mess around with it. So I'm just gonna be showing you guys me messing around with this crap. You guys will love this. And I never opened the blue one actually. But first, let's go ahead. I'm just gonna mess around with the red one for now. I only played with the red one. I got this like almost a year ago, but I'm just now filming this with you guys with it. Now I'm gonna use this tool. This is the satisfying set for it, so that's that. Whoa, it's just a perfect cylinder. Well, except it has this stuff on it. Yo! This stuff is awesome. I don't know where I got this stuff from, because I got it for my birthday. So I don't exactly know where you can get this. Probably at Walmart or something. I don't know. I'll just take it out perfectly. Now, hold on. It's just a perfect cylinder, except for the bottom, but watch this. This stuff is really cool. Hold on, I'm gonna put my handprint on it. Watch this. Hold on. It also comes with some other tools. There is a new set for this, but I'm using the one that I gotten in the past. So, well, I want to I want to mush this up. This stuff is the best. It feels really good also. So it's not my best handprint, but look at that. I just made like a perfect square. It just feels so good to touch. I still got the blue one for later on in the video, so don't leave. Honestly, I don't know how to use this. I think I don't know how to use this exactly. Do I like put some crap in here? Like, what do I do? I'm just gonna go ahead and do that and then take out the excess with this little thingamajiggy. So, and then do I just like put this on like that, and then did I clog you or what did I do? Honestly, I don't know how this thing works. I'm pretty sure like, what the, you like, honestly, honestly, Comment down below if you know what this thing is even supposed to do. I used it before, but I had help. So let's go ahead and put this all back together real quick. Alright, today we'll be making a kinetic sand cake. So I'm gonna make it the right way, and then I'll make it how the basic does it. I'm just kidding, I don't want to make a big mess. So let's go ahead and take out this thing, this excess. Now, I'll just call this thing the mixer, I guess. You know, hands of the mixer. I want to just like, this stuff is awesome. Hold on. What's this? I'll make a patty. There we go. Now, there's my patty. I'm gonna set this one off to the side. I'm gonna create another patty. Krabby Patties. Krabby Patties always look raw. Like, they never look like they cook. Because they look the same as whenever SpongeBob cooks them, whenever they're raw. Alright, this isn't really gonna be a patty. It just, I don't know. There is a lot of kinetic sand on the table. I'm gonna have to clean up after this video. So, well, watch this. That's cool, isn't it? That's pretty cool. And then if I get the other one, this stuff is. Comment down below if you think this stuff is satisfying. Satisfying. Well, it's called the Satisfying set, so. Look at this. Just look. Well, I'm recording, right? Okay. So, now, real quick, we're going to move on to what you guys might have or may not have been waiting for. The blue sand. I've never opened this one, so I don't know how to exactly open it. Oh, I got it. Yeah. Oh man, it's kind of hard to open. Okay. I have never opened the blue sand. Okay, this one feels a little bit softer than the first one. Now, this. Now, 3, 2, 1, we're gonna mix it on the count of 3. Hold on. I wanna play with this before I mix it. Will it be permanently mixed if I mixed it? I don't even know. But it's a whatever whenever I mix it. Like, I don't know if I can demix it or mix it again. So actually, no, this is what we're gonna do. So we're going to go ahead. This is what I'm gonna show you guys. We're gonna mix just for this one, just 1 scoop. And I'm going to use this thing to just make it at home. One more thing of this. That is 1 spoon, I'll call it. And then I don't exactly have another one, so I'm just gonna put that right there. And I'm gonna get another scoop, push it down on there, and get this little thingamajiggy, and cut this. Now we have 2 of these things right here. We're gonna mix them up. We're gonna mix these 2 things up. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, I want to make something out of this. Can I? Okay, this is not fixable. You cannot demix it or whatever you guys want to call it. So in 3, on the count of 3, we're gonna mix up these 2 big colors. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Ugh. Oh man, we mixed it up. It's all mixed up now. This stuff. Oh, look at that. Just look at that. Oh. Hold on. I'm gonna use this one. Oh, look at that, everyone. Look at that. So I got one of those. I'm gonna make another one. It's kind of rainy outside. That's why you might hear some background noise that's going doodle-doodle-doodle-doodle. Alright. I'm having too much fun with this. We got another one. I'm gonna just create a bunch of these. So I'm just gonna create a lot of these little scoops. You know what? Screw the scoops. Well, I want to make a watermelon. I'm gonna make a green, no, a blue and red watermelon. Well, can I just mix this stuff to make it purple? I want to see if I can make this stuff purple. This looks like tie-dye. Okay, it's kind of starting to get purple. I don't know if you can see it on camera or not, but it's starting to get purple. So I'm gonna try to make a watermelon. So I'm gonna try. It may not be the best. Well, what's this thing? And what's this thing? I don't even know. So now I don't know how to make a watermelon, so I'm gonna try to pick this up. I wonder if it's heavy or not. You can't even pick up the whole thing. Whoa. Hold on. I want you guys to see that again. It looks like poop. It's almost purple. Are you supposed to make this up? Cause it doesn't even look a little bit tie-dye anymore. It just looks purple. I think I made it purple. Was I supposed to make it purple? We got a block, and now, hold on, that's not a professional scoop. Well, I don't have to be professional. It looks purple only. And then there's a scoop, and let's go ahead and just do that. Okay, that looks pretty cool. We got one of these little crappy things. Okay, now the square's starting to just fall apart. So just eat that. This looks really cool. I'm just fill this up with these things. I'm just gonna fill it up. This stuff is cool. Yeah. I want to do this thing. No, I'm just gonna do this. Alright. Now, what's this? It's just a perfect. It's just perfect. It's a perfect cylinder. It's a perfect cylinder. Just look at that. Now, look at that. It looks like one of those hydraulic press, not press or whatever. Pressure. Hold on, I want to see that again. One more time. Now, let's see this again. Oh, now I'm gonna cut it up. Shwoop, shwoop. This looks like one of those soap cutting games. Now, I just want to put all of this stuff onto here. Alright, I'm just gonna go ahead and remove this. Yeah. Whoa. I want to try to flip it over. How do I flip it over though? Like, I feel like I would mess it up if I flip it over and stuff. I need a spatula, but I don't want to use a spatula for this. So, whatever. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and bye-bye.